Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel The Comptonical. Friends, previously we discussed about upper, lower and proper formula. Today we'll be discussing about left, right and middle formula. So as the name suggests itself, left formula, it gets the character from the left side of a string, and right gets the characters from the right side of a string, and middle gets the character from the middle of a string. So let's begin. So you have certain text here. So if you want to take out some text, so click the formula left. From this text, how many number of characters? So I want to separate the mobile numbers, so it will be 10 characters from the left, so the mobile number gets separated. Likewise, one more time, left, select the text and number of characters. So if you drag and drop it, we'll get that left numbers. So similarly, the right one, select right over here, select the text, and you want the name to be separated. So from right, 5. So names are getting separated here. So middle one, apply formula mid, select the text, and if you want the middle 5 characters, so here's the start number from where you want to start. So I want to start from the third character, third number 3, and from there I want number of characters is 6. So it'll give you that. So likewise, you have to apply the formula. Here you want middle, start number is 4, select the text first, start number is 4, and number of characters is 4. So middle one, you'll get the 555. It also count the space. Suppose if you want to apply the formula middle for the Bill Gates, and you want from 4, so you have to select the Bill Gates here, and starting number you will say, if you select 5, and number of characters you select 5, because it's counting the space. Here it counts spaces as well. If you apply mid formula to this text C21, and if you starting number is 5, then it will take from the space, and if you want 5 numbers, so including space, it will return you the value gate number, because space is also included. So this is very simple formulas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share if you like this video. Thank you.